Government e-marketplace GEM is Modi government's own version of Amazon and Flipkart, and it is revolutionizing the way in which public procurement of goods and services happen in India. And this video will explain you how this gem of an idea by Modi government is saving thousands of crores. What is GEM? So friends, GEM or Government e-Marketplace is an online platform for government procurement, a B2G, business to government portal launched on 9th of August 2016. Legally, if you see friends, it is registered as a private limited not-for-profit government company. To explain in simple words, जैसे आप और मैं अगर हमें कोई सामान ऑनलाइन खरीदना है तो हम Amazon और Flipkart में जाते हैं, वैसे ही अगर किसी गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट या गवर्नमेंट कंपनी को अगर कुछ खरीदना है दैट इज फॉर देयर ऑपरेशनल नीड्स अदर देन रॉ मटेरियल, तो वो ये जेम वेबसाइट में जाके खरीदते हैं. एंड इट्स फंडामेंटल ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू क्रिएट सेविंग्स फॉर द गवर्नमेंट by reduction of transaction and administration costs in government procurement. How it happens, I will tell you in the later part of the video. And also to have contactless, cashless, paperless and transparent procurement. And this is important because government procurement utilizes a substantial portion of taxpayers' money. आपका और हमारा पैसा इसमें लगता है दोस्तों. And governments are expected to follow strict procedures to ensure that there is minimal wastage of taxpayers' money. Just to give you some numbers for perspective, annual public procurement amounts to approximately 20% of India's GDP. And India's GDP approximately is friends $3.17 trillion. So 20% of that comes to $634 billion, which is rupees 47 lakh crores. So imagine how much of corruption and looting of taxpayers' money can happen if the government procurement is not transparent and digital. And even after looting common people of 15 to 20,000 crores every year, the corrupt officials used to escape because this 15 to 20,000 crores is just 0.5% of the total procurement in India. Nobody will even come to know. But all that has changed after the introduction of GEM. So in this GEM portal, buying is only allowed for government departments and public sector companies. Okay? आप और मैं या प्राइवेट कंपनीज इसमें जाके नहीं खरीद सकते, बट कोई भी इसमें बेच सकता है. प्राइवेट कंपनीज और इंडिविजुअल्स कैन बी सेलर इन दिस. हाउ GEM portal is reducing corruption and saving money for government. For this friends, we need to understand how government departments and companies used to procure goods and services before and after GEM portal. Look at this table and let's see each category. For invitation of bids, before GEM portal, it was all manual process of evaluation and finalization, and all babus and corrupt senior officials can manipulate the bidding process. Now everything is online. No physical documentation. Negotiation before GEM portal used to happen over the table, and all the corrupt babus and higher officials of the government can easily rig the prices and also get sidekicks in the form of commission. But now after GEM, everything is in digital, they can't rig it. Vendor selection again used to happen manually, and you all know friends, if there are corrupt officials, they can easily appoint their own known vendors and contractors to do the job. But now in online GEM portal, that is not at all possible. Time savings is huge when done online instead of manual process. Plus all the transactions done in GEM portal have an audit trail. So it is not possible to edit or change anything backdated which was possible in manual procedure. Apart from this friends, any procurement up to 25,000 can be directly purchased from the vendors on the GEM portal. But for purchases above 25,000, it has to be done by following price comparison, bidding procedure or reverse auction, etc. And the government has also amended the GFR General Financial Rules to mandate all organizations and departments under the central government to procure from GEM only. And all these steps have led to huge savings for the government. As per the economic survey of FY 21-22, cost comparisons of various commodities in GEM with those of Amazon and Flipkart showed that GEM prices were 9.5% lower. Even independent assessment by World Bank said that average savings for buyers in the GEM portal is about 9.75% on the median price. and the government has saved rupees 10,000 crores in cumulative procurement in the last 5 years. Now let us look at some of the financial data to understand the size of this GEM portal. The annual gross merchandise value GMV for FY22 crossed rupees 1.07 lakh crores, approximately $13 billion, friends. To give you a comparison of GMV of Flipkart for financial year 22 is $23 billion approximately, and Amazon is $20 billion, whereas GEM portal is $13 billion in just 6 years of GMV. So GEM is catching up with these companies. The order volumes have crossed 3.3 million orders for financial year 22. There are more than 4 million sellers in GEM portal. The top 3 PSUs in terms of order volumes are SAIL 4,600 crores, BHEL 3,900 crores, Numaligarh Refinery 3,800 crores. The top 3 central ministries in terms of order values are Petroleum and Natural Gas, Defense and Steel. Revenues for financial year 21 and 20 was 118 crores and 60 crores respectively. Loss was 4.02 crores and 2.37 crores for FY21 and FY20. Unfortunately, the company earns revenue from transaction charges, annual milestone charges and subscription charges from the sellers. Let us now look at how GEM portal is helping MSMEs, startups, small village level entrepreneurs and women self-help groups to scale their business on a national level. 57% of the total business on GEM has come through MSME units. Over 6% has been contributed by female entrepreneurs. Cumulative transaction value of goods and services bought from MSME through GEM portal grew to 3.13 lakh crores from 1.44 lakh crores during October of last year. GEM has more than 15,000 startups, 1.39 lakh weavers, 56,000 women entrepreneurs, 39,000 artisans, 2,000 plus self-help groups. And this has led to increase in employment opportunities, income generation to all these people at the grassroots level. If you look at the products and services, every other product or service you name it is available in the GEM portal, friends. From a small cab to a big car. So there are computers, stationery items, furnitures, appliances, cars and buses. In case of services, you have manpower services, catering services, maintenance related, you name it, it is there. Some of the sellers, well-known sellers also include HUL, Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors. GEM is using the state-of-the-art technology such as business analytics tools to enable buyers to view their last purchase price, last 6 months price trends, leadership dashboards with top ranks of buyers and sellers in each category, dynamic pricing, payment and delivery monitoring systems. Then you also have demand aggregation, because of which prices come down due to standardization, economies of scale and many more other things. I hope now you all agree with me that this is surely a gem of an initiative by the Modi government. Also, I want to make a request to you that please share this video widely to all the people in your circles so that everyone comes to know about these landmark initiatives which are happening in India, because these things are not shown in the mainstream media at all. But we need to be aware and proud of these things. And also, please support Combrella by subscribing so that we can keep making these highly impactful videos. This is C.S.Karthik signing off. Thank you and namaste.